Turn rejection into momentum in 3 minutes with 13 Stoic lessons. Reverse psychology without games, only control and clear action. 2 minutes to flip rejection into momentum. Using a clear Stoic method you can repeat anytime. We start now with one small action that restores control and steadies your mind under pressure today. By the end, you will own 13 responses that turn every no into next steps. No fluff, just a protocol you can practice in meetings, messages, and everyday life starting today. Breathe once, open your notes, and commit to one 10-minute move you control today, fully. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds, then inhale gently for 4. Repeat 3 calming cycles now. Name the sting. Say quietly, I was ignored or I was declined, without adding judgments. Mark the boundary. What is inside my control and what belongs entirely to the outside. Write one controllable move you can do in 10 minutes that moves your goal forward. Now choose it and put it into your calendar today, even if the slot is very small. Release the rest. Imagine placing the other person's choice on a shelf you do not own. Check your posture and voice. Let your shoulders drop and slow your words by 5%. Return to the page and confirm your 10-minute move with one clear, visible next step. This works because Stoicism separates what happens from what you choose to do about it. Rejection is data, not destiny. Your response is the lever that changes future options available. Calm physiology widens thinking, while urgency narrows it. Slow breath brings judgment back online again. Marcus Aurelius trained this posture daily. Focus on virtue, action, and viewpoint within control only. By choosing clarity over reaction, you conserve energy and convert it into useful progress tomorrow. With that foundation set, here is a concise protocol of 13 modern Stoic responses to. Lesson 1. Ignore those who ignore you. Attention follows value, and you move where your value compounds. Lesson 2. Do not react emotionally. Respond later, when your judgment is steady and your aim is clear. Lesson 3. Remove them from your mind. Stop rehearsing scenes you cannot control and re-enter your own life. Lesson 4. Demonstrate your value. Pick a small project, finish it well, and make the outcome visible. Lesson 5. Cut of contact. Write one sentence reframe, "There no frees me to build X today," and place it where you see it. Cut contact for a while. Space protects dignity, stops chasing, and gives clarity time to work. Lesson 6. Prove them wrong by proving yourself right. Practice until results are obvious even to you. Lesson 7. Go out and have fun. Novelty and laughter reset mood, expand options, and reduce fixation. Lesson 8. Build social status through contribution. Lift your craft, health, and community so your life speaks. Lesson 9. Act as if they do not exist. Be cordial when required, but invest depth where respect is mutual. Lesson 10. Use mindful silence, not to manipulate but to reset, reflect, and return with measured words. Lesson 11. Do not beg for attention. Build a life so full you forget to perform for other people. Lesson 12. Be kind yet emotionally distant. Courteous outside, protected inside. Steady either way, you're treated daily. Lesson 13. Do not reveal your struggle. Share honestly with a trusted circle, not to win approval from indifference. Build a no-next routine. Note the rejection, note one controllable move, execute within 24 hours. Create a small proof bank. Log outcomes you complete, so self-respect compounds and doubt has receipts. Set a classy boundary. Reply once with clarity when needed, then step back and live your plan. Choose a signal ritual before tough interactions. Slow breath, posture check, Tone check, then proceed. Journal 3 lines at night. What happened, what I controlled, what I'll improve tomorrow clearly. Practice premeditatio malorum lightly. Imagine the no, see your response, rehearse the first sentence calmly. Schedule joy on purpose each week. Move your body, meet friends, and explore one new thing. Keep perspective with service. Help someone today so your world grows bigger than one closed door. You are skipped for a promotion. A cold email arrives on a crowded Thursday afternoon. First minute, exhale for 6, inhale for 4, 3 cycles, shoulders down, phone on, do not disturb. Write your controllable move, update your impact one-pager, and request a specific stretch project today. Send one clear message to your manager. Thanks, here is my plan, here is the value I'll ship. Run the no next routine. Execute the first task within 24 hours and log the outcome. 90 minutes later, you have a concise deliverable. Your mood lifts because agency returns slightly. Write one message you would send in 12 calm words and post it below today. When you meet the colleague, be kind and brief. Keep it professional, not personal or performative. If they test your boundary, repeat your plan once, then disengage and return to execution. End the day by updating your proof bank with one measured outcome completed this week. After a week, your portfolio of visible results is heavier than the original disappointment felt. If the door stays closed, your improved work supports other paths, internal, external, or independent too. In dating, respond slowly, protect dignity, invest where reciprocity is clear, schedule joyful plans regardless weekly. With freelance clients, clarify scope in writing, deliver one undeniable win, and redirect mismatched requests politely. With friend groups, stop chasing replies, organize one simple meetup and enjoy whoever actually shows up. For students, after a bad grade, apply the no next routine and journal 3 lines nightly. For founders, log rejected pitches, extract the controllable lesson, and sequence fresh outreach within 48 hours. For career switchers, track proof of transferable results and ask for small, real problems to solve. Score today on a 0 to 3 scale. 0 no action, 1 started, 2 progress, 3 shipped outcome. Log the score and the specific action in your proof bank before you end the day. Repeat the 10-minute move daily for 7 days. Small consistency beats dramatic reactions every time. At the next rejection, compare scores. Progress means your response is becoming trained, not luck anymore. If you track for a month, you will watch dignity and opportunities rise together steadily. Your anchor phrase is simple: control the controllable, act with calm, let results speak each day. Take one more step today. Spend 10 minutes on the smallest move, fully inside your control. Then write your score below and the exact action you completed in one clear line. If this served you, pass it forward to someone hesitating after a no this week. Stay stoic and keep turning every no into your next deliberate step every single time.